Hello students, in previous video we have learned how to solve the word problems based on division, and we have also learned the situations where we have to divide. That is when many things are given and we have to find out the one. So many से जब हम one find out करना है then we have to divide. And second situation when we have to divide, distribute equally. Whenever we have to distribute the things equally, then also we have to divide. So these are the two situations where we have to divide, and we have done few examples also. Now today we will start worksheet number 11. So in this worksheet we have the word problems based on the division. So let us discuss the word problems now. So first question is 50 pencils are equally packed in 5 packets. 50 pencils 5 packets में equally packed है. How many pencils are there in each packet? Each means I have already told you in previous video, each मतलब हर एक, that mean one. So every one packet में कितनी pencils होगी? So here 5 packets are given, pencils in 5 packets are given. Many 5 packets, many packets के आपको दिया हुआ pencils, and you have to find out the pencils in one packet. So you can see here the situation many to one. Many packets में आपको pencils given है और you have to find out the pencils in one packet. So what we have to do? We have to divide. So question number 1, or you can write solution number 1. So now I have already told you that how to write the statements. To write the statements, what we have to do? We have to write what is given first. जो भी चीज given होती है उसे हम पहले लिखते हैं, and then जो हमें निकालनी होती है वो लास्ट में. So what is given? Number of pencils in 5 packet is given. Number of pencils in 5 packets. So how many pencils are there in 5 packets? 50 pencils. And now what we have to find? So we have to find number of pencils in one packet. So हमें one packet में pencil निकालनी है. So what we have to do? We have to divide. Many packets में given है 5 packets में 1 packet में निकालनी है, तो we have to divide. So 50 pencils divided by 5. So this is the direct question. There is no need to divide by long division because हमें 5 का table 50 तक आता है. So 5 tens are 50. So 10 pencils are there in one packet. So write the answer. Because question is how many pencils are there in each packet. So there are, we'll write the answer, there are 10 pencils in each packet. So now I hope it is clear how to solve these problems, word problems, and आपको कैसे पता चलेगा कि आपने कौन सा मैथमेटिकल ऑपरेशन यूज करना है. Now second question is Raju has 72 stamps. राजू के पास 72 stamps है and he pastes 8 stamps in each page. तो उसने हर एक पेज में कितने स्टैम्प लगाई है? 8 स्टैम्प्स लगाई है. टोटल उसके पास कितनी स्टैम्प्स थी? 72 स्टैम्प्स. और उसने हर एक ईच मीन्स हर एक, एवरी वन. सो हर एक पेज पे उसने 8 स्टैम्प्स लगाई है of a scrapbook. How many pages are used by Raju? तो उसने कितने पेजेस में स्टैम्प्स लगाई है. सो दिस इज द क्वेश्चन ऑफ सेकेंड टाइप. यहां पर आपको क्या है, 72 स्टैम्प्स को इक्वली डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करना है. हाउ मेनी स्टैम्प्स आर देयर, 72. और 72 स्टैम्प्स को आपने इक्वली डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करना है. 8 स्टैम्प इन ईच पेज, हर एक पेज में 8 स्टैम्प्स लगाते हुए चलना है. तो आपको बताना है कि हाउ मेनी पेजेस आर यूज्ड बाय राजू. So this is the question of second type. First में आपका many to one, so that we have done. In this case, 72 stamps are given and you have to distribute equally. Equally distribute करना है, मतलब बराबर बांटना है. 8 स्टैम्प्स हर एक पेज पे लगा के उसको इक्वली डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करना है 72 स्टैम्प्स को. So in this case also we have to divide. So write the statement. So total number of stamps, total number of stamps, that is 72. So number of stamps in each page. So number of stamps in each page, that is 8. So that is what given है ना. जो भी चीज गिवन है वो हमने लिख दिया है. टोटल स्टैम्प्स दी हुई है और क्या दिया है, नंबर ऑफ स्टैम्प्स इन ईच पेज इज गिवन. So I have already told you, whatever thing is given, that you have to write first. Now what you have to find, that we will write. So number of pages used. So for that we have to divide. So we have to divide these two. 72 stamps total थी, और हर एक पेज में कितने लगाई हमने, 8 stamps. So divide it. So again we will divide it directly because we know the table of 8 till 72. So 8 9s are 72. So 9 pages. So the question is, how many pages are used by Raju? So Raju used 9 pages. Now the next question, there are 35 biscuits in a packet. वन पैकेट में कितने बिस्किट्स हैं, 35. सॉरी, वन पैकेट में 35 बिस्किट्स है. एंड 5 गर्ल्स वांट टू शेयर देम इक्वली. 5 गर्ल्स वांट टू शेयर देम इक्वली, बराबर बांटना चाह रही है, इक्वली डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करना चाह रही है. हाउ मैनी बिस्किट्स विल ईच गेट. तो हर एक को कितने बिस्किट्स मिलेंगे. सो दिस इज अगेन अ क्वेश्चन in which you have to distribute 35 biscuits equally among how many girls, 5 girls. 5 girls में आपको 35 biscuits equally distribute करने हैं. So again, for equal distribution we have to divide. So write down what is given first. So number of biscuits, your total number of biscuits, you can write total number of biscuits. Biscuits in a packet, that is 35. And number of girls, number of girls 5. Now what we have to, this is what given है ना, जो given है वो हमने लिख लिया है. Now we have to find out how many biscuits will each get. So number of biscuits, each girl get. So a total number of biscuits are 35, number of girls are 5. So we have to distribute 35 biscuits among 5 girls. So 35 divided by 5. So 5, recite the table of 5 till 35. 5 sevens are 35. So each girl will get 7 biscuits. So you can see here both the situations. First is when many things are given and we have to find out one, then we have to divide, and in second case when we have to distribute the things equally, then also we have to divide. So we have done 3 questions of this worksheet. Try to solve the remaining parts of this worksheet. In next video we will discuss those parts. Thank you.